Okay, so I've heard some people say the moon is fake because you can see it through the clouds and that the earth is flat. I just want to break this down calmly because science has a really simple explanation for both. You can see the moon through the clouds. Yeah. First, seeing the moon through the clouds does not mean it's fake. Clouds aren't solid. Some clouds are like fog in the sky and light passes through them. Airplanes, stars, the sun, city lights, all of these can be seen through certain clouds. That doesn't mean they're fake. It just means clouds aren't thick enough to block light. If the moon were fake, it wouldn't cause ocean tides, be measured by astronauts, be tracked by observers, affect eclipses perfectly every time. But it does all of that. Part 2, the moon is real. So we've lately bounced lasers off the moon and measured how long it took them to get back. That's how we know the distance down to the centimeter. And also, if the moon were fake, different countries wouldn't all agree on its position at once. But they do. Every telescope everywhere sees the exact same moon. Part 3, the Earth being flat. Now, about the Earth being flat. If the Earth were flat, flights wouldn't need curved routes. Time zones wouldn't work. Sun wouldn't set differently in different places. Ships wouldn't disappear bottom first over the horizon. But all of these things happen every day. You can't even prove the Earth's curve by yourself. Watching ships over the horizon or compounding shadows in different locations. Part 4. Oh wait, no. It says you can't, meaning you can do all of these. It's just difficult. I'm reading off of a script that I didn't make myself because I'm lazy. So if I correct something a second after, the corrected version is correct, okay? So, yeah. Part 4. Why these ideas feel contradicting. A lot of ideas sound believable because they use what feels feels indefinitely, I think. Not what's actually measured. Science doesn't rely on vibes. It relies on reliable evidence. You don't have to trust NASA or governments. You can trust math, physics, and experiments. People can repeat themselves. Questioning things is good, but evidence matters more than suspicion. Don't believe TikToks or videos you find on the internet. The internet lies. Yeah. So, if you don't believe me, Google is the moon real or is the earth flat? And just read. put the time of your day into actually learning your facts. I know this entire video I've been more calm and not rude, but that's because I was reading off a script. Yeah, now I'm not doing that no more. Yeah. So if you were a so if you were that stupid to believe the moon is fake or the earth is flat, then birds aren't real. Boom. Now, you don't know if you can trust me or say I'm lying because I said something you probably believe if you believe in those, or Bigfoot's real. Boom. More reasons why you should look into stuff, because for all I know, I could be wrong, but everything that I've ever read, and I've even done some experiments myself to see if it's real, and guess what? Every single time it's been real. So, how does that happen if the moon is fake? And clouds aren't solid. I'm not gonna say your name, but I'm gonna say some simple stuff you've told me. You have told me yourself that you have gone through a cloud or been in clouds or something before. Then you would know that they aren't solid bricks. If they were solid bricks, they would sound like this to tap on. But nope, they are mist. Meaning, nothing happens